Welcome to our channel Competitive Success Guide, a path for your success. Today our topic is general studies. Please watch the video till the end and do subscribe my channel and share my videos. First question, which is the largest populated district in India? The answer is Thane district in Maharashtra. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to financial emergency? The answer is Article 360. What is the instrument used to measure the speed of the wind? The answer is anemometer. Who was the first person to receive Gnanapith Award for Telugu literature? The answer is Vishwanatha Satyanarayana. On which river the controversial Baglihar Dam is constructed? The answer is Chenab River. What is the airlines of Indonesia known as? The answer is Garuda Airlines. Where is International Rice Research Institute located? The answer is Manila in Philippines. Where did English East India Company establish its first factory? Surat in 1613. Where is Central Drug Research Institute of India located? The answer is Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. Bhakta Tukaram was a contemporary to which Mughal emperor? The answer is Jahangir. Which is the first railway zone established in India? Southern Railways, Chennai. Which is the first metro rail in India? The answer is Calcutta Metro Railway. Which is the largest lake in India? The answer is Wular Lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? The answer is Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. The longest saltwater lake in India is Chilka Lake in Odisha. Where is Institute of Plasma Research located or IPR located? The answer is Gandhinagar in Gujarat. What is the name given to slash and burn method of cultivation in Jharkhand or Podu cultivation in Jharkhand? The answer is Kiruba cultivation. Anand city in Gujarat is famous for milk and dairy products. Where is Sanjay Gandhi National Park located? The answer is Borivali in Mumbai. Where is Tulihal International Airport located? The answer is Impal in Manipur. Which spice is known as King of Spices? The answer is pepper. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? The answer is 8 states in India. How many landlocked states are there in India? The answer is 5 states. With which country India is sharing the largest boundary? The answer is Bangladesh. Through which union territory the standard meridian of India is passing? The answer is Puducherry. Newmore Island is located between which countries? The answer is India and Bangladesh. The only state of India which shares boundary with Afghanistan? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which states in India are having the longest coastlines? The answer is Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Where is Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants headquarters located? The answer is Lucknow. Which country ranks first in the production of turmeric in the world? The answer is India. What is the scientific study of rivers known as? Potamology. What is the scientific study of lakes and other freshwater bodies known as? The answer is limnology. In which state the world's first white tiger safari located? The answer is Mukundpur in Madhya Pradesh. Which is the first country to ban deforestation? The answer is Norway. Whose autobiography is known as Unbreakable? The answer is Mary Kom. In which state Mahananda Wildlife Sanctuary located? The answer is West Bengal. Where is National Center for Organic Farming located? The answer is Ghaziabad in Uttar Pradesh. Who is known as father of organic farming? The answer is Sir Albert Howard. Which is the first carbon-free state in India? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which is the second largest desert in the world after Sahara? The answer is Arabian Desert. Who is the first law officer of India? The answer is Attorney General of India. Which is the world's first largest delta? The answer is Sundarban Delta. The first recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award was Devika Rani Rorich. Next question. In which year Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, was established? The answer is 1954. Which is the only union territory that has a high court of its own? Delhi. Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? The answer is Assam. Which day is celebrated as National Sports Day? August 29. The currency of Thailand is known as Baht. Which is the shortest national highway in India? National Highway number 47A. Which is the longest national highway in India? The answer is National Highway 44. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.